finest spices
1953.
right here, best
Tehran's
quality in
markets
the
are
market.
bustling, but
Come
the
and
peace
see.
is starting to crack. Inside the palace, Mossadegh weighs a choice: the nation's future or his own survival. He signs the decree. Iran's oil finally belongs to its people. The British signs fall. Workers reclaim the wealth stolen from their land. The flag rises, a moment of victory before the storm arrives. In Washington, cash is packed. The plot to end him begins. Agents move through the crowds. The trap is being set in secret. Envelopes change hands. Loyalty in Tehran is now for sale, quickly. Lies flood the streets. The ink is wet and the public trust shatters. Chaos erupts. Paid mobs burn the city. The leader becomes the target. The trucks roll in. A general watches as the coup takes control. The gates break. Mossadegh watches his world crumble in the dark.